Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about a stock that is actually popping today. It is starting to get very nice movement upwards. That is GGPI. It is a special purpose acquisition company that is doing a reverse merger with Polestar. But considering a lot of the stocks in the whole market is down, it's very good news. We are starting to see a little glimmer of hope and light with this new EV startup company. We are going to be talking about this and why is the market down today. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. It'll help with that YouTube algorithm to spread this channel to others. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell to get my latest uploaded videos. I do have a chance below to get a free Lucid stock using my link to Moomoo. If you use that link, put in $100 into a new trading Moomoo account that will guarantee you a free Lucid stock. In addition to this, I can get you up to $17,500 in free stocks. Stay to the end of this video to find out how. Now, without further ado, I did want to just talk about the stock market. What is going on with the market? We have seen a lot of volatility, a lot of downward pressure. Let me just show you what is going on with the economy and the news in the economy. So the reason why the economy is having such downward pressure and we're seeing a big sell-off in the stocks is because the inflation rate just came out from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. This article from CNN Business, the title of it is America's Annual Price Increases Was Worse Than the Economists Had Forecast. Did just come out. If you want to go and read it, it's actually a very good read. But in this article, we do know that the key measure of inflation, which is the CPI, climbed to a near 40-year high last month. So from January 2021 until January 2022, the inflation has actually increased by 6%, now being as high as 7.5%. Before January 2021, we were at 1.5% inflation rates. Now they are extremely high. Again, the CPI, which stands for the Consumer Price Index, rose 7.5%. This is according to data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. This is the highest that it has been, the steepest increase in prices that consumers have to pay for goods since February of 1982. And this has a lot of people worried. This chart right here from the U.S. inflation shows us how we have had inflation since the year 1950 all the way until now. You can see that right now we are at a spike. This is a spike increase of 7.5% inflation rate. The last time we were at this point was on 1982 in February, 40 years ago from now. This is going to be very bad because the federal government is going to have to fight this inflation. The only way to do this is to increase interest rates, which equates to being very bad for the stock market. A lot of huge downward pressure on stocks, especially growth stocks, tech stocks, EV stocks are going to get hammered quite a bit. Now, that being said, you might have noticed that a lot of the things are very expensive, from food, gas. If you're buying furniture, used cars, all the prices are skyrocketing. But we have seen the stock market react. You can actually see this, the stock market has reacted. The S&P 500 is down 1.8% once this news broke. The Dow is down 1.5%. NASDAQ is down 2.1%. This is all the tech stocks. Russell 2000 is down 1.55% because, again, rate hike concerns are a big factor. The CPI index is enormously high. How do we fight this? How do we bring down inflation? The Fed will be increasing interest rates. Now there is a potential that it could go up quite a bit more. This is going to be causing a lot of companies, new companies, very hard time to get money to have this startup. So, but that being said, I did want to talk about one very important stock that has popped up today. It is my sleeping giant. It is Gores Guggenheim, ticker GGPI, which is the SPAC, Special Purpose Acquisition Company, that is doing a reverse merger with Polestar. It actually has had very nice life in its stock just today alone. Today it has popped almost 5%, going from as low as $10.70 in the early market hours, and it went all the way up to $11.35. Very nice increase in this stock. There's not a lot of reasons why this is popping. I do believe that this is a sleeping giant of a stock, but this company is starting to go. One of the articles I did find from Seeking Alpha did show that the SPAC for the electric car Polestar gains as the company is set to debut its first ever Super Bowl ad. Is this the reason why this stock is going up? That's the only thing that I could find. But I am actually looking at this company. I have been talking about it. If you have been following my channel, this is my sleeping giant. Right now, Polestar has delivered and is delivering vehicles around the world, selling in the United States and Europe and in China and Asian markets. They are producing, last year, they made 29,000 vehicles all over the world. This year, they will be making 65,000 vehicles. Huge upward movement for this company. They do also have a very good product that is energy efficient. It gets about 3.1 miles per kilowatt hour, which is quite good when you do compare it to other vehicle companies such as Rivian has 2.2 miles per kilowatt hour. The German counterparts, you have Porsche and Audi, 2.4, 2.5 miles per kilowatt hour. So Polestar is definitely a very good product, and it has a very nice entry point. If you want to get into an electric vehicle before any tax credits, it's about $45,000. After tax credits, you can actually get under $40,000 into an electric vehicle. This vehicle also has very nice movement and has a lot of reservations just in South Korea. They have just opened reservations, and in 1 week, they hit 4,000 reservations in that 1 week span. Huge demand for this company, for this vehicle as well. Also, don't forget that they are moving out and they're branching out. They are going to be making one new vehicle each year, starting this year with the Polestar 3. It's all-electric SUV made in the United States. This Swedish company is a branch of Volvo, so we definitely know that they do have very nice quality, and this company is known to be a very safe vehicle. So I definitely think it's going to have a huge following. We do know that the Polestar 3 is going to be made in the United States, in South Carolina, in the same plant, in the Volvo plant that will be making the Volvo XC90 and XC60. So big things to come for Polestar moving forward. Another huge important thing to remember is that none of the analysts, no Wall Street analyst has reviewed this stock at all. I do believe that once they start reviewing this stock, in my opinion, this stock is easily worth $16, $18. That is accounting for all the inflation, all the concerns, all the downward pressure that we're having right now. But this could easily go above $20 per share in its stock price, as this has a lot of room to move and to grow. When you do compare it to other electric vehicle startup companies such as Rivian and Lucid Motors, their valuation is over $45 billion. In Rivian's case, it is closer to $55 billion of valuation. Polestar is valuated. It has a valuation of $20 billion, but this company is already proven. They are already making vehicles and selling it all over the world. The other two companies are just starting off. I do have very big things ahead of Polestar and this SPAC. I do believe once the merger date does come out, which should be the first half of 2022, this stock has huge upward movement. And again, it is my sleeping giant. Well, I hope you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. And also share this page with others. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button too. We'd love to have you part of the community. I do have those free stocks down below using my link to Moomoo. They have the best promotion that's running right now. If you open an account, put in $100 into a brand new Moomoo trading account. It is a trading application that you can trade stocks on the stock market. They will give you a free Lucid stock for my viewers only. But in addition to this, Moomoo will also give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500, which is a potential to get $17,500 in free stocks. But in addition to this, it does not stop here. Webull, using my Webull link down below, open an account, put in any amount of money. You get up to 3 free stocks, each valued $2,300 potentials. Huge opportunities. Also, I do have links down below to crypto.com. For opening an account, you can get $25 in cryptocurrency, and Coinbase is giving my viewers $10 of Bitcoin if you open an account, put in $100. You can also do lessons there that will earn you about $25 in cryptocurrency. Take advantage of these huge opportunities. But again, thank you so much for watching, for supporting the channel, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Have a great day, and until next time, thank you.